front of me is REALME GT Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this smartphone. First of all, you need to find clock and tap on it. Now select alarm at the bottom left corner and tap on this plus icon. After that, you need to set up an hour and choose ring once or custom. I will go with custom. Then select repeat and tap on days of the week that you wish to set up. When you're ready, click on the back button. Now tap on this switcher next to snooze to disable or enable it and click on alarm name. If you want to, you can label your alarm however you wish to over here and then tap on ringtone. Now select allow and tap on the best melody for you. I will go with It's REALME. When you're ready, just go back. But you can also click on ringtone and tap on weather adaptive. Select vibration over here and tap on one of those options. Synchronize with ringtone, no vibration, or you can also select one of those vibration patterns like short and go back. Lastly, tap on this device and tap on the song from your smartphone. I will go with that one. When you're ready, go back twice and save your alarm by choosing this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it and tap on one of those options. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same one. In order to delete your alarm, just hold it. Now tap on delete icon over here and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Lastly, if you wish to adjust more alarm settings, select those three dots at the top right corner, tap on settings and manage all of them however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!